Good afternoon everyone. My name is Dolce Sharma. I'm working as a clinical instructor in RPIIT College. Today we'll discuss about the topic blood pressure. There are certain objectives: definition of blood pressure, measurement, factors contributing to BP, peripheral resistance, regulation of BP, immediate regulation, short-term regulation, long-term regulation, applied hypertension, physiology of treatment. Arterial blood pressure. Definition: arterial blood pressure can be defined as the lateral pressure exerted by moving column of blood on the walls of the arteries. Significance: to ensure the blood flow to various organs, plays an important role in exchange of nutrients and gases across the capillaries, required to form urine, required for the formation of the lymph. Normal values. Normal adult range can fluctuate within a wide range and still be normal. Systolic, diastolic. Systolic BP defined as the maximum BP in the arteries attainable during systole, normal. Force of heartbeat, normal blood volume. Cardiac output, normal range 90 to 140. Diastolic BP is the minimum pressure that is obtained at the end of the ventricular diastole, normal range 60 to 90 mmHg. It represents a constant load on the arterial walls with little or no fluctuations at all. It is an index to the peripheral resistance and decides the filling of the coronary system. Pulse pressure denotes the difference between systolic and diastolic pressure. Mean arterial pressure. Mean arterial BP is equal to DPP. Diastolic blood pressure normally, that is 95 mmHg. Not that arithmetical mean, not but geometrical mean. It is because the period of systolic is only 0.3 seconds when it is compared to 0.5 seconds of the diastole. Physiological variations in blood pressure, that is age, build, climate, diurnal variation, exercise, fever, gestation, high altitude, infusion intake, pain, posture, sleep, sex. Recording of BP, direct method, indirect method. Palpatory method, oscillatory method. Principles involved in recording blood pressure. Blood pressure, that is 120 by 70 to be measured, that is bilateral artery. Rubbered cuff है inflated with air. Pressure cuff above 120 no sounds are audible. 120 से ऊपर जाने पे. Pressure cuff below 120 but above 70. Pressure cuff below 70 no sounds audible. Measurement devices: Android sphygmomanometer, automated BP device, simple mercury sphygmomanometer. Recommended blood pressure measurement technique: the patient should be relaxed and arm must be supported. Ensure no tight clothing constricts the arm. The cuff must be level with heart. If arm circumference exceeds 33 centimeters, a large cuff must be used. Place stethoscope diaphragm over brachial artery. The column of mercury must be vertical. Inflate to oculate pulse. Deflate at 2 to 3 mmS. Oscillatory method. This method was introduced by Russian physician. That is tapping sound 1, 120 mmHg, murmurish 2, 110 mmHg, banging sound 3, 95 mmHg, muffing sound 4, 85 mmHg, no sound 5, 80 mmHg. That is systolic blood pressure, that is diastolic. Factors maintaining blood pressure: cardiac output is equal to circulatory blood volume. This mainly affects systolic BP. Elasticity of the vessel wall, viscosity of blood. Viscosity is affected by cell count, plasma proteins, chemical compositions like CO2, O2 and content pH. Temperature, drugs like general anesthetics, all these factors influence peripheral resistance through viscosity. Peripheral vascular resistance, it is defined as the resistance offered to the flow of blood by the blood vessels. It is contributed by the smooth muscles of the arterioles in particular. Factors affecting blood pressure: disease, age, heredity, blood volume, weight, diet, hormones, salt, caffeine, environmental factors, physiological factors, stress, gravity, drugs, alcohol, time of day. Action of angiotensin II: aldosterone secretion, stimulation of third center, increased absorption sodium from PCT by direct effects. Blood pressure, blood flow to kidneys, renin, angiotensin, aldosterone. Stress relaxation phenomena: increased BP decreased blood vessels, then blood vessels are stretched, stress relaxation, increased capacity, decreased effective blood volume, BP decreased relaxation, that will reduce BP.